guys, Norman McGregor for our island adventure on the Isles of Haida Gwaii. Okay guys, today I want to show you a really cool solar powered chainsaw that actually really works. So let's have a look. Okay guys, this is the Greenworks 40 volt 16 inch battery powered chainsaw. Now I use solar energy to charge this little puppy up. So this is a solar chainsaw. So let's see how it cuts. Alright guys, so I got the camera set up. That noise is not the chainsaw, it's my neighbor doing weed whacking. So here, watch the chainsaw in action. Alright, there we go. 2 real huge logs, driftwood, all totally salt impregnated, really hard wood, and the Greenworks 40 volt 16 inch battery powered chainsaw does an awesome job. One charge. Alright guys, Norman McGregor on the Isles of Haida Gwaii for our island adventure. Take care.